If you think a clean windshield is too much of a stretch, if you think a clean windshield is just out of reach, you need the Windshield Wonder. The Windshield Wonder makes cleaning windshields, side and rear windows, even hard to reach interior glass, faster and easier than ever before. The Windshield Wonder combines a microfiber cleaning bonnet with an ergonomic handle and a unique pivoting head to make windshield cleaning fast and easy. So easy you don't even need glass cleaner. That's right, the Windshield Wonder cleans and shines glass with plain tap water. Amazing!
Oh, no question. When you detail a car, the inside windshield is always the toughest part. But now that we're using the Windshield Wonder, it's the easiest part.
The Windshield Wonder is perfect for wiping away moisture and condensation too, for better visibility and safer driving. But that's not all. Take the Windshield Wonder inside to clean mirrors, windows, and more. Dust dining tables and buffets without bending and reaching. Keep shower doors shining like new. And that hard-to-clean top of the fridge? The Windshield Wonder makes it a cinch to reach every inch. And when you're through, just wash the bonnets and they're good as new.
I was spending a lot of money on disposable dusting sheets, but with the Windshield Wonder, I can wash and reuse the bonnets. So I'm saving time and I'm saving money.
Your Windshield Wonder order includes the handle, 2 microfiber bonnets, a microfiber towel, a spray bottle, even a handy storage pouch. Everything you see here, a $20 value for only $10. But wait, call now, and as an added bonus, we'll double your order. Just pay separate shipping and handling. That's 2 complete Windshield Wonder kits, one for the car and one for almost every surface in your home. A $40 value for only $10. So don't delay. Order the Windshield Wonder today.